Your seedling sprouted. Stem up, first tiny leaves open, the whole thing. You were genuinely excited. Then one morning it was just lying flat on the soil. Stem pinched at the base like something had grabbed it. And you don't know why, because you were watering it every day. That's actually the problem. What killed your seedling has a name: damping off. It's caused by a group of soil pathogens, mainly Pythium and Rhizotonia, that live in non-sterile soil and thrive when the surface stays wet and air stops moving. They attack the stem right at soil level. That's the signature. The collapse always happens at the base. Not the leaves, not the roots, the base. The seedling doesn't wilt slowly, it just falls. And once it has, there's no saving it. So everything here is prevention. These pathogens need two things: moisture sitting at the soil surface and still air. Remove either one and you make their job much harder. Garden soil is the first mistake. It holds water, it's not sterile, and it often carries the exact pathogens that cause this. Seed starting mix is what you want. Lighter, faster draining, cleaner. The second thing is where you water from, which sounds almost too minor to matter, honestly, but it isn't. Watering from the top keeps the surface layer wet. That surface is exactly where damping off strikes. Water from below instead. Put water in the tray underneath, let the mix absorb upward. The surface stays drier. This one change removes a large part of the risk. A small fan nearby, low setting, not aimed directly at the seedlings, just moving the air in the room, makes a real difference. Still, humid air is exactly what these pathogens want. A little circulation disrupts that. Don't crowd your seedlings either. High density traps humidity between stems, and if something does get in, makes spread much faster. Thin them out early. It feels wrong to pull up a seedling that's alive. Do it anyway. When you get the conditions right, sterile mix, bottom watering, some airflow, a healthy seedling in week 1 has a stem that looks almost wiry, thin but firm, upright. It doesn't wobble when you breathe near it, it doesn't pinch, doesn't fold, just keeps going up. The collapse that most people assume is a normal part of growing seedlings isn't normal, it's specific, and the conditions that cause it are genuinely easy to disrupt once you know what they are. One more thing. If a seedling in your tray does collapse, pull it out immediately. These pathogens move through water, so a dead seedling sitting next to healthy ones puts the whole tray at risk. How quickly it spreads from there depends on your setup. It's not always dramatic, but there's no upside to leaving it and finding out.